Greetings. Welcome to another session where we are demonstrating an ERP system designed by ESCerp Software Consultancy. So today we are going to, I'm going to demonstrate the invoicing system within the system and the double entry that is carried out by the system. So let me log in straight away. All right, so let me navigate to invoices. Right, so I'll create a new invoice. So this is today's date. Okay. So let me try to have a description for that job. It was done recently. It is in US dollars to that client. Now I'd like to add consulting fees. This was one. The unit price was no, let's try maybe 9,000. I'm saving that, so I've saved that one. Okay, so this is invoice 76. So what is being presented here is the total, the subtotal, the VAT, then the total. Okay, that's invoice 76 to a client called Mashi. Right. So let's go into the system and check what is transpired following the saving of that invoice. By the way, transactions will be posted once an invoice is approved. Once an invoice is approved, the transactions will be posted. So this is invoice number 76. These three lines refer to invoice number 76. So what do we see from here? We've got a debit, accounts receivable, a credit, consulting fees, a VAT output of that much. So the system is posted into transactions. Now, in terms of reporting, in the income statement, let's see if, so that's the income statement. We are just drilling into the sales ledger. So you find this is invoice number 76, and that's the 9,000 just posted. Let's check in the other reports, the statement of financial position. If we check under invoice, under accounts receivable, that's invoice number 76. That's the total amount posted. So there you are. The system is able to post double entry records into transactions, right? And you can have your summaries, and you can drill down. You see, you are actually able to drill down into details of a transaction when you probe the system. So this is the ideal system that you need in your company, so that you are able to quickly close your month end, your year end, right? So that's the drilling part that was designed. Okay, so you can see all those details. So you need such a system in order to automate and easily summarize your information and keep your records. Thank you for taking your time and joining us for this demonstration. Let's have a date for another session where we are demonstrating different aspects of the system. Thank you for your time.